Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the all day long special device. It's an Apple iMac, as you can see. Retina 5K display, 27 inches panel. Oh yeah, 27 inches. Oh, this is a diagonal Retina 5K display, 5120 by 2880 resolution with support for 1 billion colors. Wow, this is a lot, I think. 500 nits brightness and white color P3 or processor. It's available up to 3.7 gigahertz. I choose here the 3.0 gigahertz processor. It's a 6-core Intel Core i5 and Turbo Boost can go up to 4.1 gigahertz. That, I think, it's enough for one device computer here. Memory 8 gigabit to 4 gigabyte RAM, and each has 2666 megahertz. It's DDR4 memory, 4 SODIMM slots, and you can go up to a lot of more of them, of course. But the start thing is 8. Storage, it's available up to 2 terabyte. I choose 1 terabyte Fusion Drive. The Fusion Drive, the main HDD, where is a host to get your device datas on it. Graphics, Radeon Pro 570X with 4 GB of VR RAM. You can go and choose a Radeon Pro 580X too. That's no problem, but it's expensive, more expensive. You have a FaceTime HD camera, simultaneously support full native resolution on the built-in display at 1 billion colors, and 15120 by 28805K external display at 60 Hz with support for 1 billion colors, or 23840 by 21604K Ultra HD external displays. Then you can choose. It's optional. You can dock 2 4K screens, or you can dock 1 5K display. This is what you can add. You have one big 5K display in front of you, but maybe you will need more, and then you can support this. You have Thunderbolt, 3 digital video outputs, native display port for USB 3, and HDMI, DVE, and VGA output. That is, but for this you will need an adapter. Then there is headphone jack, SDX card slot, USB 3, Thunderbolt, and Gigabit Ethernet. That is all what you get and all what you will need. You will get, if you buy an iMac, a Magic Keyboard. The Magic Keyboard comes standard with our Mac here. It's wireless and rechargeable, so we won't be replacing the batteries. With an ultra-compact edge-to-edge design that wastes no surface space. It has a stable scissor mechanism, and this feels really nice. Optimized key travel and a low profile that provide control and comfort. And it pairs immediately with our Mac here. It's no problem. It was no problem, and it is no problem. And you will get the Magic Mouse too. The Magic Mouse is really awesome, I think. It is so beautiful. It comes standard with our Mac here. The design of the Magic Mouse too lets it glide smoothly across our desk. And since it supports multi-touch, we can use simple gestures on its surface to do things such as swipe between web pages and scroll through documents. If you have this box at home, you will have all under one device: Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, The size and the weight is 65 centimeters to 51 centimeters, or 25 inches to 20 inches. And it's around about 10 kilogram. These are 20 pounds. You have line voltage from 100 to 240 volt AC. That means you can work with it all over the world. I think it's no problem. 50 Hz up to 60 Hz single phase frequency. The operation temperature is 10 degrees Celsius to 35 degrees Celsius. These are 50 degrees Fahrenheit to 95 of it. And it's all what you need is the awesome iOS on it. The operation system is the Mac OS, Mac operation system. This is the operation system that powers every Mac. Mac operations Catalina gives us more of everything we love about the Mac. So we can take everything and we do above and beyond with it. We can go so many steps with it. It's really awesome and really intuitive and easy to use. But this is all the Mac. The iMac is a family of all-in-one Macintosh desktop computers designed and built by Apple. It has been the primary part of Apple's consumer desktop offering since its debut in August 1998 and has evolved through 7 distinct forms. And it looks really awesome. It has a nice design. It's so timeless, and there are so good and high quality components in it. I like it really much. Super design, super easy to work with it, and easy to set up, etc. I will show the in that video here, no problem of it. But here you can see what is all in the box. Everything's in one box, what we are going to need to get a nice and clean iMac on our desktop. And what's really awesome is, if you are owner of an iPad, you can use the iPad as an extra screen for it, for example. Or you can use your iPhone to communicate with all iCloud supported devices like the iPad, the iMac, and the iPhone. It's one family, and it is one horse. It's one hood, and you can travel in this hood in a really nice thing. Oh yeah! So that's awesome. These iMacs, I love them really much. This iMac here comes from the 5th generation. It's a 2019/20 model here. A Retina display is built in 5K. Wow, 5K is really a lot of. With a resolution of 5120 to 288. Oh, that is a lot. A 5K, wow, a big storage. And this all comes in only 2 steps. You can go and take it out of the box and then plug in the power supply, connect the mouse and the keyboard by using nothing because it's built in Bluetooth connection, and then job's done. Only a bunch of clicks and your operation system's ready to use. It's really easy and compact, and the display is large, as you can see, 27 inches. It's a nice screen. This is early 2019 model. You have here a big power pack in, nice screen, and easy to support, easy to enjoy. Ho, ho, ho. It's pretty, it's freaking, it's powerful. The vision behind iMac has never wavered. Transform the desktop experience by fitting powerful, easy-to-use technology into an elegant, all-in-one design. This new iMac takes that idea to the next level. It's giving us even more amazing tools to do just about anything. The iMac is packed with the latest processors, faster memories, and phenomenal graphics, all coming to life on the brightest, most vibrant Retina display ever on an iMac. It's a total package powered up. You can see the tilt lever of your screen is only in one direction. Tilt it forward or backward. You cannot rotate it. But it's okay. It's nice and designed. And so bright and powerful. Wow. We cannot look away. And here are so many connectivities, as you can see. Let's start with the power supply. The power supply is one wire which hosted in the rear side easily, as you can see. It's packed with ports and possibilities. On the left side, or on the right side if you are standing in front of it, you have headphones, 2 Thunderbolt 3 USB-C ports. It comes standard on all iMac models, each delivering up to 40 GB per second data transfer, external drives and cameras, and ample bandwidth for video and display connectivity. You have 4 USB 3 ports. This will give us plenty of options to connecting peripherals, including our printer, iPhone, thumb drive, and more. And with ultra fast 3-stream Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 4.2 wireless technology, we are instantly connected to all our favorite content. And the connectivity is bright, it's easy, and it looks nice because it is a little bit hidden behind the screen. If you're sitting in front of the panel, you will not know that there are some wires in the backside of your iMac. You cannot see them at the front side. And it's enough. Headphones, SD card slots, USB 3, Thunderbolt, that means USB-C, and Gigabit Ethernet. If you have wired connection to the internet, you can use the Gigabit Ethernet on the right side. And this is the fastest way to get the internet to your screen. 5mm thin at its edge. This is the screen. Oh, enclosure. The iMac has a big, beautiful screen and a space-saving footprint. This making it the perfect fit for our home office. With its incredible speed and stunning design, the iMac powers and elevates our business at the same time. And up to 8 cores of processing power and an expansive Retina display make the iMac an ideal pro desktop for your office or for your home. It's a really good device, much connectivity and awesome design.